Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be solving the Hello World problem on Hackerrank, and this is a very simple course. It's a very simple. This is a very simple task, and is not is the level of the challenge is easy. So if you want to get started with Hackerrank, you can start with this. So this is the first thing, and here's the question. Here's a sample line of code that can be executed in Python. Print hello world. You can easily store a string as variable and then print it to standard output. So my string is equal to hello world and then print my string. So in case you're just learning Python for the first time, my string is a variable. Hello world is the data type, the value of the variable my underscore string, and print my string would print the value of the variable, which is hello world. They are both code will print hello world on your screen. Try it yourself in the editor below. So let's do that now. Okay, if we run it, we got it. So we printed our hello world to our program. We submit it, and yes, it's done. So that's how to solve the hello world problem. We're going to move on to the second one.